Once upon a time, a man named Taiyo lived in a remote village nestled at the foot of majestic mountains. He was well known for the deep respect and admiration he elicited from everyone who crossed his path. Taiyo was a source of inspiration and wisdom, and people admired the serenity that emanated from his very being. His path to becoming the respected figure he was had not been an easy one. It was a journey of self-discovery, transformation, and the deliberate abandonment of 6 powerful habits. Long ago, Taiyo had been a different man entirely. He was brash, quick to judge, and often harsh in his words. Arrogance was his constant companion, and he never missed an opportunity to assert his opinions over others. Dishonesty was his tool of choice, leading him into countless deceptions that tarnished his character. Greed consumed his heart, and he pursued wealth relentlessly, often at the expense of others' well-being. Anger, too, had its grip on him, and he engaged in frequent conflicts and disputes, alienating those around him. His rigid ways and resistance to change only exacerbated his loneliness. Then, one serene morning, a wandering monk named Ryuko arrived in the village. Ryuko, a man of profound wisdom and compassion, sensed the turmoil within Taiyo and approached him with a gentle smile. "Taiyo," Ryuko said, "I perceive the storm within you. If you are willing to embark on a journey of self-transformation, I can guide you toward earning the respect of others." Taiyo, though initially skeptical, felt a spark of hope and agreed to follow Ryuko's counsel. Little did he know that this decision would set him on a transformative path that would reshape his entire existence. Over the years, Taiyo embarked on a profound journey of self-discovery, guided by Ryuko's wisdom. Here are the 6 powerful habits that he learned to shed. 1. Judgment. Taiyo had always been quick to judge others, but with Ryuko's guidance, he learned to replace judgment with understanding. He began to recognize that everyone's journey is unique, and empathy became his guiding light. Instead of condemning, he started to seek to comprehend, and his respect for the diversity of human experiences grew. 2. Arrogance. Arrogance, the shield Taiyo had used to protect his ego, was replaced by humility. He discovered the strength in acknowledging his own imperfections and found wisdom in learning from others. As his arrogance melted away, people began to see him as a man who held no need to belittle or assert dominance. His humility became a beacon of respect, drawing others towards him. 3. Dishonesty. Dishonesty was the source of many of Taiyo's past troubles. Ryuko emphasized the importance of honesty and integrity, teaching him that trust is the cornerstone of respect. Taiyo began to mend broken relationships by admitting his past deceptions and honoring his word. His commitment to truth began to rebuild the trust that had been shattered. 4. Greed. Greed had blinded Taiyo to the suffering of others as he amassed wealth and possessions at the expense of their well-being. Under Ryuko's guidance, Taiyo came to see the shallowness of such pursuits. He learned to appreciate the abundance of life and redirected his desires toward sharing his wealth with those in need. His newfound generosity, born from compassion, was the seed of profound respect. 5. Anger. Ryuko taught Taiyo to master his anger and to respond to adversity with patience and compassion. Taiyo learned to control his emotions, and over time, the once frequent conflicts and disputes ceased to dominate his life. His newfound emotional control not only brought him inner peace but also earned him the respect of others who admired his serenity in the face of turmoil. 6. Inflexibility. Taiyo was a creature of habit and resisted change vehemently. Under Ryuko's guidance, he came to understand that life is a river that flows, and rigidity is a dam that obstructs its course. He embraced change and became adaptable, open to new perspectives, and willing to learn from every experience. His ability to evolve and grow drew respect from those who saw in him a willingness to embrace the ebb and flow of life. Years passed, and Taiyo's transformation was nothing short of miraculous. He had become a man who embodied wisdom, humility, honesty, generosity, patience, and adaptability. His relationships, once strained and fractured, began to heal. People no longer feared or resented him. Instead, they sought his counsel and admired his profound changes. Taiyo's story became a living testament to the fact that respect is not an entitlement but something to be earned through the shedding of negative habits and the cultivation of virtuous qualities. He showed that anyone, no matter how flawed, could gain the respect of others by embracing the virtues of empathy, humility, honesty, generosity, patience, and adaptability. In the heart of the village, Taiyo's home became a place of wisdom and warmth. People traveled from near and far, not just seeking his counsel, but also longing to be in the presence of a man whose transformation had touched the deepest corners of his soul. Taiyo's journey, from arrogance to wisdom, served as a powerful reminder that respect can be earned through personal growth and the pursuit of inner virtues. His very existence became an enduring lesson for those who aspire to be respected and admired by those around them. I hope you like this story. Please do subscribe for more like this and hit the like button to help us out. Thanks for watching.